Hello, my name is Diana Adele, and today we're going to be talking about how to take the perfect selfie and the perfect selfie poses. Anyways, you're going to discover how to look amazing in a selfie. Also, I will be doing a photo shoot for Body Glove Bikini, and I would like to take you with me. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And before we get started, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click that subscribe button and then click the bell. Activate your notifications. So now that you have subscribed, let's get started. Selfies are all about the angles and the light. So, the most important thing is to have a good light. It could be a natural light. When you're using natural light, make sure you're facing the sun because that is very, very important. If the sun is going to be behind you, you're going to have shadows on your face and it's not going to be a pretty picture. Next, the angle. The angle is very, very important. So, in order to take the best selfie, it's going to be a good idea to practice and to find your best angle. For example, if you have a bigger forehead and a smaller chin, it's going to be a very good idea to shoot yourself from the top to the bottom. And of course, the opposite, if you have a larger chin and a smaller forehead, then probably it's going to be a better idea to take your selfie from the bottom up. Also, take a lot of selfies, it doesn't cost you anything, and find your best side. For some people, their better side is going to be the right side, and for other people, maybe the opposite. For me, this is going to be my better side, and this is definitely a no-no. So you really need to get to know your face. Next, it is very, very important to be in the center of the camera because any camera is going to make the edges wider, and that way if you're not in the center, your face is going to look bigger, and that's not really what you want. Moving on the very important subject is how to actually pose. Here are some of the best selfie poses. Number 1, when you're looking slightly off the camera. So you're not looking directly into the lens, but you're looking a little bit sideways. That pose usually makes your face look very glamorous. Next are the crazy hands. So basically you take your hands like this, or maybe just of course one hand because you're taking a selfie, and you can actually like put it somewhere, let's say here, or maybe here, or here, you know, you just play with it. It also looks very, very cool. Next is an amazing pose that you can always use. You cannot fail with this pose, and that's basically looking a little down and just giggle. So it's gonna look something like this. Of course, you can also add your hands to look even more glamorous. Okay, so next one is the duck lips. This one can be actually kind of hard to do because you can really look ridiculous. But if you will do it very, very subtle, you're gonna look amazing and it's gonna look like you have the perfect, juiciest, most beautiful lips. So the way you do it, you're putting your upper lip on top of the bottom lip, and then with your fingers, actually, you're going to pull down a little bit on the bottom lip, and then your lips are going to look super juicy, like that. With this pose, you can also squint a little, but just don't overdo it. This one is actually a very sexy look, so be careful with that. Next one is a pose that looks good from almost any angle, and that is a little soft smile. It's pretty simple to do and it looks awesome. If that is a hard one for you, you can just think of someone you love. And then automatically it makes you smile. Anyways, do not get discouraged, just practice a lot and you're going to have the most amazing selfies ever. And don't forget that the most important thing is that you actually have fun. So remember those tips and enjoy your selfies. For the Body Glove photo shoot, these are the bikinis I chose. I think they're very pretty. This bikini sits really tight inside. It has very bright colors, as you can see. It fits really well. Everything stays on its place as needed. The cool thing about it is that you can take off those strips and then you don't have to worry about having suntan lines and all of these kind of things, which are actually not very pretty and we girls do not like them. And I think this bikini will serve me for a long time because it really has a very good quality. Very beautiful as well, very comfortable as well. Also, this bikini is really cool because the underwear, you can actually wear it into different prints. So it's kind of like you have two different bikinis. It has a completely different fabric than the other ones. I think it's amazing, it's very comfortable, it's beautiful, and I actually really love it. It's time to leave a comment. Which one of the bikinis did you like the most? Number 1? Number 2? Or number 3? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please make sure you follow me on social media like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter @DianaAdel. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with all of your friends, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget, stay happy, stay positive. My name is Diana Adel, and I will see you really soon.